I need a damn drink. Alright everyone, as you can see by the title, we are here to open up this month's BoxyCharm as well as try out the products. Last time I did a video with BoxyCharm, you guys really seemed to like the way that I did it, so I'm going to do that again. So I actually have already looked at everything, used most of the things, and am wearing the look right now. If you guys are interested in seeing how any of these items perform, you can watch that after we go through everything that's in here. Pretty much gonna show you like what's in here, not really like, it's not an unboxing because I've already seen everything, but I'm just gonna show you and then we're going to dive into putting it on my face. With all of that being said, the very first thing in this box was the Benefit Professional Primer. I've heard amazing things about this. This used to be a cult favorite. I personally have never tried it, so I'm trying it today, and it's sitting really well underneath the foundation that I have on, so far so good. But yeah, that was the first thing in this box, and it retails for $32. The next thing in this box is something that I actually forgot to try. This is the Elemis Superfood Sika Calm Hydration Juice, which I am actually really excited for this item. So this actually says that it's loaded with vitamin-packed superfoods and 75% organic aloe. It's a gel moisturizer that delivers instant cooling hydration and keeps your skin hydrated, and it's good for sensitive skin. It is vegan. The aloe helps to calm the skin. So this retails for $48, so this is the most expensive thing in this box. But I did not get a chance to try it, like I said. Put some on the back of my hand. Smells really good. But this is what it looks like. Pretty much just feels like a gel. It kind of feels like the aloe vera that you put on after you get a sunburn. Smells really good. I'm very excited to actually try this because I forgot to try it before putting on the rest of my makeup. So we'll see how I like it. I do have sensitive skin, I do have dry skin, so I'm excited for this. The next thing in this box, this is where the disappointment really begins. So the next thing is the Iconic London Illuminator. Fine, exciting, love highlight. Love a good liquid highlight. This color though really upsets me. So this is in the color Blush, which I will let you guys know it is not really a blush. This is more of a copper color. Here, I'll just show you up close. This is not like a liquid like highlighter blush. Like this is meant to be a highlighter for sure on deeper skin tones, which is totally fine. Great. There are actual like tests that you take before you get this box and you choose your skin tone. So I'm mostly just bothered by the color that I got. So there's not really any way for me to wear this. I might be able to get away with mixing it in with a very pale foundation to kind of bring some sort of illumination into the foundation, but for the most part I'm pretty upset with that, honestly. I'm not gonna sugarcoat it. So yeah, this retails for $41, which I'm sure is an amazing product. It's just not the right color. So that being said, that's all I'm going to dwell on that. So the next product in here is the Illuminati Gel Paint in Electric Pink and Electric Blue. So it is a 2-pack. And both colors are in here. It is essentially just a gel liner. You guys will see these in action, but I will just swatch them. So we've got Electric Pink and Electric Blue. And this is actually what I have on my eyes right now. Very creamy, beautiful colors. The theme of this box is festival vibes. BoxyCharm literally threw in 2 bright colored eyeliners and called this a festival box. So that's all I have to say, okay? They are very creamy, beautiful. However, they like wipe off like that. So I'm not sure how well this will last on my eyes, but that's what we've got. So that retails for $42. You're joking, right? Honey, someone's lying on her resume. The next product in here and the last product in here is the Dose of Colors Lip It Up Satin Lipstick. I love Dose of Colors lipsticks and like liquid lipsticks, so I was very excited for this and lost the excitement when I saw the color. So this is what I'm wearing right now. I can pull off browns-ish, but I'm kind of wondering how this plays into the idea of a festival box. This is in the color Fudge, and yeah, that's definitely the color for sure. Very, very, very deep, beautiful brown, like fudge. But festival-y, not really sure. Also just a regular satin lipstick. It's like a lipstick bullet. I think it would have made more sense to have like a liquid lipstick that's gonna stay on your lips better. But yeah, this retails for $17. So that was literally everything in the box. I do just wanna be 100% honest with you guys. As I'm sure you can tell, I'm very disappointed in this box. It was one of those things where I opened up the box and literally was like, that's it. I'm pretty much only excited about one thing, and that's this moisturizer, just because girls got dry skin. As for everything else, I don't know. I just feel like this box was really rushed, really disappointing, not really on theme. There's still 5 full-size products, I will give it that, but I'm just pretty disappointed. That's how many times can I say that? But yeah, I am going to now jump on into showing you guys these on my face, or most of the products on my face. So if you want to see them in action, go ahead and just keep watching. Alright, so first things first, I'm going to prime my skin using the Benefit Professional Primer. Oh, there's some color to it. I don't really have like a pore area. So when this was very popular, I personally used the Maybelline Baby Skin, and yeah, felt exactly the same as that. So guys, I'm pretty sad because there's no eyeshadow box in this box, but that's okay, we will survive. Okay, I'm going to really quick just apply some foundation. Next, I'm gonna look at what this looks like, because it is not looking like it's my color. I feel like this is gonna be way too dark for me. Well, let's just try it. Actually, I'm gonna try it with a sponge, and I'm gonna try to put it like as a blush. Yep, it's a literal streak on my face. I guess I'll try that like mixed in with a pale foundation. I guess I'm gonna put an actual highlight on. Next thing in here is the Illuminati gel paint. Okay, it says it's an electric pink and electric blue. Wow, that is really bright. No, I think I'm gonna do a blue line and pink on my inner corner. Okay, so there's the blue, and then I'm gonna put pink on the inner corners. I'm gonna go put mascara on. Alright, we've got mascara on. Now we've got the Dose of Colors satin lipstick to put on. Brown AF. Oh yeah, yep, that's fudge. Alright, so this is what we have for the look. I'll zoom you guys in. BoxyCharm literally threw in some brightly colored eyeliners and called it a festival box. Okay, ready to go to the festival. Alright, so that was everything in this month's BoxyCharm, also known as the Festival Vibes box. I'm really hoping that next month will really step it up. I was very, very excited for this box, and I personally think that they rushed it. I think that maybe they had more important things going on. There is a lot going on in this world, but at the same time, it doesn't feel like me, and it does not feel like BoxyCharm. I just personally think most people were really excited for this box. We can't go out and purchase makeup right now. Really, like, we have to stay home. This was our, like, for those of us subscribed to it, obviously, this was our makeup for the month. This was what we were looking forward to, and this is what we were going to be able to play with and have fun with because we can't go out and shop, and this is what they give us. And I'm personally very disappointed. I thought for sure Manny, anyways, like Lunar Beauty was supposed to be in here, and it's obviously not. So I'm a little confused by what happened with that. But yeah, I've said my piece. I'm going to go ahead and just call it at that. I hope, regardless, you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you have not already. I will see you all in my next one, and in the meantime, be kind. Bye guys.